Hi there, Scott Irvin here from the Scott Irvin Home Selling Team. Welcome to my video blog. Today's video segment I'm going to talk about open houses. A lot of conflicting information from different sources on open houses. Do they work? Don't they work? Statistically speaking, open houses do not work. However, with that being said, they're normally not done properly by the agent. So you want to make sure when your agent is doing an open house, or if you try to do an open house on your own, you do it the right way. The pros of an open house is just it's very easy and non-formal way of a buyer coming in and looking at your house. There's no commitment, they don't have to set up any appointment, so it makes it very easy for them to get access to your home. One of the concerns a lot of people have with open houses though is security, and that is a valid concern. You want to make sure that when you have an open house, your buyers are signing in and putting down all their proper information. A lot of buyers sometimes they don't want to do that because they think the agent or the person is going to be bothering them. But there's a twofold reason for that, and the other reason is purely security, so we know who is in the house and when they were in the home, and their information if we need to get in touch with them. And the right way to do an open house, whether you're doing it yourself or you're having an agent do it, is to do it in a manner that there's a lot of preparation. It's just not showing up on that Saturday or Sunday, whenever you choose to do it, and putting out a sign in the front yard. You want to make sure it's advertised properly, and that's through different channels, media channels, so everybody knows about it. You want to make sure that signs are put up prior in the week to let people know that are driving by that there's going to be an open house, and even directional signs put up. And on the day of the open house, you want to make sure that you put out a lot of signs, or have your agent put out a lot of signs. We like to do anywhere between 5 and 15 signs, depending. If it's on a major road, we would do 5. If it's not on a major road, 15 to 20 signs to drive traffic in there. The more signs you have, the more traffic you're going to get through that. A lot of times too, you want to go around and either call or knock on the neighbors' doors. You want to make sure that that's done properly as well, because you want to invite those neighbors because they want to come in, and again, a lot of sellers sometimes think, oh, nosy neighbors. However, the benefit to that is that they might have somebody that they know is looking in the neighborhood. A lot of people, take a lot of pride in the neighborhood, so they might have friends, family, relatives, co-workers, so they see the house and they tell people about it. So that's a good thing. I mean, that's word of mouth, and it's good advertising. And you want to do an open house usually when you put the house first, the first time you put it on the market. You don't want to wait a couple weeks. It's usually that first weekend is the best time. You're going to get the most amount of traffic through your open house if it's done properly with the things we just talked about as far as advertising, signs, putting them up in a timely manner, doing that door knocking or calling usually the day prior to the open house. And that's where you're going to get the most traffic, and the more traffic you get in your open house, you're hoping that you're going to get multiple offers on that first day. So this is the best way to do an open house, whether you're doing it yourself or you have an agent doing it. If you have any questions regarding open houses or the home, the price of your home, we can do a free market evaluation. Or if you're looking to buy a home, we'd be more than happy to set you up with one of our buyer's agents to sit down and do a free consultation. Our phone number here is 215-918-1920, or email us at scott@scottirvin.com. Thank you, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video blog.